is the installation of Dodge Challenger wheel spacers, an upgrade or downgrade.
Installing Dodge Challenger wheel spacers is a great way to fix wrong offset rubbing problems. There's installed between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and tires out a few millimeters. Because of the increased inner wheel clearance, you are less limited to aftermarket brake and wheel options. These Dodge Challenger wheel spacers are helpful in preventing larger rims and wider tires from rubbing against the suspension component. There are performance benefits to upgrading with Dodge Challenger wheel spacers. By increasing the track width, they add more stability. In general, a wider track makes for a smoother ride. They also greatly improve stability and handling. Increased stability means better rollover resistance when driving in adverse conditions, which reduce risk. What's better? By spacing the wheel out from the suspension, the Dodge Challenger wheel spacers provide a sporty and aggressive stance. Most people will agree that the Dodge Challenger looks better when the wheel gap is reduced. BONOSS forged aftercooling Dodge Challenger wheel spacers are designed to perform well in heavy duty in any kind of 4x4 event. These Dodge Challenger wheel spacers have high strength requirements. In addition, BONOSS aftercooling Dodge Challenger wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to improve brake cooling, distributed in a pedal shape. These grooves allow the outside cold air to continuously flow inside the wheel spacer as it rotates. The air removes the heat, thus achieving the purpose of FT heat dissipation for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of Dodge Challenger wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which greatly increase the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect, and improving road safety. To ensure a strong wheel spacer hub connection, BONOSS forged aftercooling Dodge Challenger wheel spacers feature ISO grade 1209 wheel stud, as well as ISO grade 10 lug nut. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with authoritative SGS and TUI certification report. In addition, BONOSS forged aftercooling Dodge Challenger wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, giving customers peace of mind. Such BONOSS forged aftercooling Dodge Challenger wheel spacers are surely a good option for you.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.